welcome back to my channel. Today, like you guys saw, I'll be showing you guys how I do my AZTEC clay mask. And if for those of you who does not know what the AZTEC clay mask is, that is this little buddy right here, AZTEC clay mask, and with apple cider vinegar. And what this does is that this cleanses the hair, so it acts like as a shampoo. And the clay mask has the tendency to pull out toxins and dirt and buildup off of any surface that it's on out, and when you wash it away, it goes down the drain and it acts as a shampoo, because that's what a shampoo does. It cleanses and it takes away all the different toxins and buildup and that's what this does. I like to make a disclaimer whenever using this and you're mixing it and whatnot, like I'll show you later on in the video. Do not use metal. Anything with metal, don't do it. Not that it's gonna blow up or anything, but then remember when I said that it pulls metals and different materials and stuff out? Well, you don't want that to be pulling out and into the mixture and onto your hair. Like, you don't want that. I've used this 2 times, and this is my 3rd time using it for you guys, so you guys can see how I use it. And I can attest that it works. It really does work. I can attest to that. And if you need your hair to get a nice reboost or reboot, because you see a lot of buildup or whatnot and you feel like your shampoos isn't doing enough, just get this. Now, if you are new here, please press the like button. That's the thumbs up button. And next to that is going to be a red button, which is going to be subscribe button. You can press that as well to subscribe to this channel. And next to that is going to be the bell button. You click that so that YouTube can let you know whenever I upload a video, so that you can be informed and notified. And if you are new here and have not liked, comment, subscribed, and click that bell button as yet, honey, darling, sister, girl, like, make it make sense for me, please. Make it make sense. But anyway, nevertheless, like I always say, thank you guys so much for tuning in and subscribing. And I hope that this content continues to be informative to you and helpful to you in any way possible. And if it is so, please let me know down in the comments so I can know what you guys like and don't like, so I can bring the content that you actually want to see. But however, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so to do this whole clay mask, you're actually going to need the actual clay, and this is the AZTEC Secret Indian Healing Clay, and I got this from Amani's hair and beauty supply in the Bahamas. I'm sure if you're anywhere else in the world, you can find it at your local beauty supply store or online. It's on Amazon as well, you can find it there. But this is it. Of course, you're going to need a bowl and a plastic spoon. Do not use metal. Okay, don't use metal, use plastic. So plastic bowl, plastic spoon, it's very important. And also you're going to need apple cider vinegar with the mother. I prefer the one with the mother because in my opinion it's more organic that way. And with apple cider vinegar, the mother is actually supposed to be there. She always develops inside of it, so yeah, I see this more organic and healthy and just better, I guess. So yes, apple cider vinegar, the clay, our plastic bowl and spoon, or in my case a fork, and for your hair, a spray bottle, because you don't want your hair too dry when you put this on, but then you don't want it too wet, whereas everything is just slipping and sliding all over the place, and that is not okay. So let's get started. So the bowl, so I don't really put out a measurement per se, but what you're going to do, so you're going to get AZTEC clay, and what I do is I just eyeball it. You know, I'm a real bohemian. Eyeball it. That looks like a bit, it's like enough, probably too much. Let me see. Okay. And if I need more, I can always put more in. So, and I want to show you guys what happens when you put the apple cider vinegar in it. It fizzes. It fizzes like effervescence. Yeah, I'm extra. So I just put a little bit more in it. Alright, so, and then when we add the main, ingredient, which is the apple cider vinegar, into it, that is what happens. You hear that? I just find that so interesting. So as it fizzes, we're going to warm, because that means the apple cider vinegar is reacting with the clay. Chemical reaction is happening. I feel like I'm a science teacher. Yeah. But a chemical reaction is happening with the bentonite clay. And we're going to stir and stir and stir. And the whole thing is that you want to get a nice, smooth consistency. So you're going to keep adding more apple cider vinegar until you can get that nice, smooth consistency. Whereas you can just apply it to your hair. It's not gonna fizz anymore because all the reaction that we need to. Oh, it is fizzing more. Stop that. Okay, I love it. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Because all I'm really worrying about is the reaction with the clay and apple cider vinegar with my hair, because you know that the apple cider vinegar has cleansing properties, and so does the clay. So, and this is what we're going to be putting on our hair. Now, I've done this, my third time doing this, and the first 2 tries I loved. So it's like, you know what, let me share this beautiful thing with you guys, because while all the reviews you've seen on this clay is true, and I want to share with you guys. Okay, so my hair right now has my pre-poo in it from Simply Natural. It's Bohemian brand. Their rice water and aloe pre-poo. That's in my hair, along with all the other things that was in my hair for all this week for my styling. So this is going to give me a thorough cleanse and a bit of a reboost type of thing. So let's get to applying it on my hair. Okay, so I'm going to start with the back. Okay. Of course, it's already detangled because I did my pre-poo. So, all right. So we're going to put this in now. Put something on my lap because I don't want this getting all over the place. Okay, a nice bit of it. And I start at the roots. So I never really put this on with so much product on my hair. I usually wash my hair out from the pre-poo and then put this on. But I want to see how it will do. Look at my hair. Okay. now, but okay, one side done. Let's do this back side. Or should I do the front? I'm gonna do the front. I always say when you put these things on, put it on like a perm, and it'll work, because you're to get perm on every part of the hair, and that's what you gotta do with these. You have to get it on every part of the hair. So put it on like a perm, put it on like a perm, put it on like a perm. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys, that's it. Done and done. My hair is uneven, but guys, look at that. It's either damaged or uneven. I pick uneven because I prefer uneven than damaged. I don't know what kind of thing my hair got going on, but it is what it is. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on my hair for some time, a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna pin up the front so it stays out of my way, and I'll be back when it's time to wash it out. And I took it out, and I'm going to show you the results of how my hair looks. Does it feel clean? Does it look clean? Does it look shiny? And all that stuff. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my hair is dry. It's been a while, and I'm going to wash it out. But guys, look at the definition. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. Now, just remember this piece in the back I was telling you all about? Yeah. I'm still very much unhappy with that. It looks weird to me. I just want y'all to know. So if you see in the future that I cut it off, well, I cut it off. I'll let a professional do it for me. A natural hair professional. Someone who actually knows what they're doing. Because I don't let no anyone fool my hair. It took me a while to get to this kind of health. So I won't be losing progress because of someone scissors happy hands. It's a no. But anyway, I'll be back. Let me wash this out and I'll come and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I know I look messy, but my hair is washed out, and this is she. Clean, 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 and the curls popping. You guys should have seen when I first took it out before I dried it. It looked nice. So this is how the AZTEC clay mask works, and this is the end results. And after this, you can do your deep condition, like what I'm going to do now with this concoction I made it. And after that, of course, there's the regular wash day routine. I use the deep conditioner, leave in, which is a secret for you guys, because a few videos from now you're going to see which leave-in and butter I use for my lock method. This happens to be a Bohemian brand. And that is that. At the end of it, at the end of the clip, you guys saw how well defined my curls were and how luscious and juicy my hair looked, and I can promise you your hair will look the same. If you have damaged hair or heat damage or whatnot, everything doesn't happen overnight. Everything does not happen in one day or one wash day. It happens over time. So just continue to take care of your hair and do the right things to it. I'm not saying go crazy and all out with it, but you have to put some effort into your hair if you want it to be healthy. And I think this is one of those products that may help you a great deal. If not, get this, you might need a really good cleansing agent. But I just really like this because it's like a whole reboot system. Like, you know what, my hair just needs a restart, and it just sucks all the dirt, deep cleansing it, everything. So I would suggest it, highly recommended. Also, I have a question. Would you guys be interested in me doing a skincare with this, because it's also good for skin as well? I'm totally interested in doing it. I don't know when I'll do it, but let me know if you guys would like to see something like that. I'm so interested. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not done so as yet. And also, if that just becomes too much for you and everything, just click the same circle right here with my face on it. I am sure that it'll be so much easier for you to subscribe that way. And also, there are some videos that may be helpful to you as well, as it pertains to hair care, hairstyles, my skincare that I'm trying to do as well. But like I always say, bye.